Yeah, that's where I am tomorrow.
So it's pretty much exactly correct, except the engine, which is a Gypsy Queen,
Right.
which is a straight 6, which is like the Mercedes that it would have had. It's gorgeous, isn't it? And he has to mask all of this individually. Yeah. This lozenge pattern. Wow. That is amazing. And it hasn't flown yet.
No? Is that what it's supposed to paperwork?
Yeah, it took a long while to get the engine to run smoothly because it's been turned the right way up. Of course, Gypsy Queens never ran like they always inverted. So they had a lot of trouble with the induction system, I believe.
Yeah, gravity and all that.
Hello there. Do you need a hand? And what are you flying tomorrow? This? Oh, we'll have fun. Yeah, we're at... where's Paul gone?
Huntington flying the harbour tomorrow.
Has he gone?
No, he's in there. Is he?
Oh, see you later, Paul. Let's go and walk along the fence line, shall we? Dave, what is it? B601?
That's not my old one, is it?
Yes, 601, isn't it?
Doesn't look at home in that, does he?